What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to go over the best markets currently for driving Uber and Lyft, where you can make the most money. If you're considering a move, one of these cities would be a great place to check out so that you can make the most you possibly can while driving. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the best app for rideshare drivers, hands down. Gets you guaranteed earnings, a feature that we've all been begging Uber and Lyft for years. It is finally here, and it didn't have to come through Uber and Lyft, basically changing the entire dynamic of how their systems work. Along with guaranteed earnings, it's pretty much every feature you need as a driver is packed in there. There's tracking in there, a lot of other stuff, and you can even get $15 just for signing up using our link in the description below. So check that out, guys, and let's dive in. Number one on the list is the Bay Area, where drivers are making an average of $23.28 per hour. Now, a lot of things you'd want to factor into this. This is just the hourly wage, obviously way higher cost of living in an area like this. But that's not bad. If you can make about that, gas is definitely going to be higher there as well. Seattle, Washington, $22.67 per hour. If you can deal with the rain, great place to drive. San Jose, California, $22.27 per hour. New York, I would not do, but $21.68 per hour. These are average too, so keep in mind there's a lot of drivers that are probably doing a lot higher than this. I would say in a lot of these markets, a lot of the better drivers are probably averaging 25 to 30. Boston, $21.39 per hour. New Jersey, $20.58. Denver, Colorado, $18.41 per hour. DC, $18.28 per hour. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, $18.17 per hour. Now, one thing to consider is like a place like Pittsburgh, there's going to be a much lower minimum wage for that state. So in a way, a state like that is going to be a lot better. I don't know what gas prices are like there in cost of living, but I feel like probably a lot cheaper than New York and California. Philly, again, another Pennsylvania, $17.82. Baltimore, $17.79. I'm personally not a fan of the Northeast. No offense to any of you, but I wouldn't do anywhere there. Detroit, Michigan, $17.69 per hour. I also don't like the Midwest. Chicago, Illinois, $17.52 per hour. Cost of living probably makes it not worth it, but maybe if you're in the outskirts, it'll work. My city, Phoenix, Arizona, $17.38 per hour. I will say one thing to factor in with Phoenix is in the summer, it dies down, and you probably aren't making that. Austin, Texas, $17.37 per hour. Kansas City, $17.24. So that's the top 15. Something to consider. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want us to do more cities or we could do the worst cities, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Solo, and I will talk to you guys soon.